Brassicas.
Brassicas. Brassicas.
Brassicas. In terms of food crops, one of the most important groups of plants we grow. The ones we're concerned with as gardeners, the broccolis, the cauliflowers, and the kales, are all actually variants of the same species. Brassica oleracea. This genus of plants, commonly called cabbages, are an absolute staple in temperate gardens. And they're super easy to grow, provided you get one thing right. Hi, I'm Jeff from the Ripe Tomato Farms, and welcome to another episode of the Garden Quickie, the show where in 2 minutes or less, we answer the most asked gardening questions. And today is all about brassica timing. When do we plant these guys? Cabbages and their cohorts taste best when they're harvested in cooler weather, but that doesn't mean that's when you plant them. Some leafy varieties are tolerant of really cool weather, such as kale and collards, but for the most part, harvesting just above freezing is ideal. Which is why timing is so important to brassicas. In temperate regions like mine, we have two ideal times to harvest: spring and fall. Fall is easiest to grow for because we have the warm weather to enjoy to get these guys started. But as brassicas are almost never direct seeded, a spring harvest is entirely possible as well. From the time of sprouting, most brassicas, even the large fruiting kinds, are a 50 to 70 day crop. At 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, germination takes roughly 5 to 10 days. So now we have a known window of growing time. Great. So for a fall harvest, start your seeds roughly 60 days or 2 months before your first fall frost. And for a spring harvest, start your seeds indoors about a month before your last spring frost date. These dates will time a cool harvest perfectly and avoid the freezing or damaging weather. For warm climates, you can be a little more fluid. The easiest is to start your seeds in the hottest month of the year. So if you're in Southern California, start your seeds in August to enjoy that November harvest. Know what else you can enjoy? Hopefully the next episode of the Garden Quickie. Thanks for watching, guys. And hey, if Garden Quickies are your thing, be sure to click on this playlist here as we explore and solve more growing issues in 2 minutes or less.